it's Mama Mo. Happy Thanksgiving!
It's Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada, and whatever your main dishes will be, bread will always be a welcome addition to your main celebration.
These are our name tags, and these are just dinner rolls shaped like pumpkins.
So here are some bread suggestions you can have for your own Thanksgiving. Big shout out to all Moncescans! Thank you so very much for continuing to support my channel. Thank you for the like and share, and most especially for hitting that subscribe button. We love our bread, we love our butter, but most of all, we love each other. Happy Thanksgiving!